I really need some power tools. If anybody wants to give me a Christmas present, you guys already know. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So this morning I was watching the Evo and I noticed this right here. I don't know what happened. I'm pretty sure I had everything kind of rolled in so that this wouldn't happen. And I think because I've been taking the Evo to Lily's school and getting in sideways on that entrance makes this wheel tuck in way too much. Might have pulled out the part that I rolled in and started chewing up the tire. It's all rubber. Now I gotta hammer that in and primer it, make sure that it doesn't happen again. Don't wide body your cars, guys. It's time to pick up some presents. I got the first one. I honestly haven't even picked up any presents for anybody, so it's gonna be a busy day. Driving around Shadow today. I might need some spark plugs because I think I'm getting a misfire under boost. Every time I'm picking up Lily, all the little kids that are getting off school, like especially the boys, they stare at the Evo and they stare at the Skyline whenever I do take it. And it's always a good feeling because they're probably thinking like, what the hell is this thing? Probably looks like one of their Hot Wheels. All right guys, so I had to stop for some lunch. Your boy Shu was getting hungry and I got some hot Cheetos, a soda, finishing up this Gatorade. Also watching Finding Nick's new video. He's finally revealing that he's purchasing his dream car, and this guy's like tearing up, and I almost teared up too because I feel this pain. Sometimes you work so hard for what you want. Dreams do come true, guys. I worked 6 years straight to be able to get my GTR, and in other people's eyes, they may seem like I probably just bought it out of nowhere and I can afford it. But in reality, it was a goal. If you guys want something, you have to have a goal so that you can get there. You can't just hope to get it one day, make it come true. It doesn't work like that. You have to have a goal. That way you're slowly moving up and always work towards it, even if you feel like you're not moving. There's a saying that I've told myself over and over whenever times are difficult and I have no motivation or don't want to do something, knowing that I need to do it. And it goes like this: if you try, you might. If you don't, you won't. It's pretty simple. Whenever I don't feel motivated, I repeat myself that quote, and it's true. It just makes me realize that, hey, I need to at least do a little bit today so that eventually I can get to where I want to be.
Happy, bro. Super proud of myself. I look like a big crybaby, but I'm just happy, bro. And I worked my ass off, guys, and nothing was.
So yeah, guys, I feel this guy's pain. And this guy, like he says, he stays up till 5 a.m. editing. Editing is not easy, guys. It's fun, but it takes a long time. For my videos, my little 7 to 10 minute videos takes me about an hour to 2 hours. Now imagine uploading a video that's 20 to 30 minutes long. That's crazy. But anyways, I'm just gonna finish up my lunch and then I'm gonna take a quick nap because I haven't had sleep since I got off work at 7 in the morning and I've been up ever since. It's almost gonna be 2. So I'm getting a little tired, but I'm gonna take a little nap and then hopefully before the sun goes down, we can go on a little cruise with the Evo.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's now the next day. I completely passed out. I was supposed to take a little nap and I completely did not hear my alarm, so I didn't go cruising like I told you guys. But yeah, it's 10 a.m. I got 45 minutes before I have to go pick up Lily, and I came to pick up some feeder fish along with a new friend. Check them out. Oh, I think that bag's leaking. Holy crap. So I gotta get home as soon as I can, but I got a new fish and some goldfish. for the Oscars. Now, I was really surprised that some of you guys are interested in my fish. Once we get home, I'm gonna feed the fish, and then maybe you guys can help me out and help me name the 2 Oscars that I have at home. Yeah, let's go home and feed the Oscars. Now I'm about to feed this guy, and he's the biggest one out of the 2 that I have. The other one is an albino Oscar, and he's a lot smaller, so I just got him a few months ago. What should we name him? Comment down below some names that you guys would want to name this guy. Alright, here we go. So here's the other Oscar. Oh, he got him. Anyways, this is my albino Oscar. What should we name this one? We're doing some car work today. This drive shaft on the S2K is making noise, so I gotta replace it. I was able to find one for 200 bucks at the junkyard. So I got the other one over here. Just waiting for these 3 bolts right here to get lubed up, make it easier to take them off. We're filling up on 85. I ended up stripping 2 of the bolts for the drive shaft, so I'm gonna have to go to Honda and pick up some new bolts, new hardware. You're supposed to replace the bolts every time you get your clutch replaced, and I didn't do it this past time. And now that I have to take off the drive shaft, I'm dealing with the consequences, but that's how you learn. Oh, shit. Damn! We're gonna go for a little quick canyon run before the end of the video. I gotta drive shadow, guys. So here's my receipt from Honda. Damn. $110 for a pair of bolts. That is ridiculous, but I guess we need them. I ended up stripping the last 2 of the bolts, and so now I gotta figure out how to take those out. So this should be getting here Friday. They didn't have them in stock, so they do have to be special ordered, but they're on their way, and as soon as they get here, I'm gonna swap out the drive shaft, and hopefully the noise goes away. It's this really ridiculous loud rattling under the car. It sounds like freaking rocks in the soda can, but I know it's a drive shaft. You guys saw it. It moves, it makes noise, and that thing should be solid. And one more thing, I also need to do the timing belt service on the Evo. It never ends with these cars, guys. Hopefully once we get the S2000 back up and running, I'm gonna start doing the timing belt service on the Skyline, and if I'm successful with it, I'll for sure be trying it on the Evo as well, because it does get pretty pricey if you take it to a shop and have somebody else do it for you. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have a great Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys on the next video.